All right, so this one's for you guys. You guys asked for it. The room service menu and, well, the room service food. But I'm going to take it one step further, and I am going to actually order on the app. I'm going to show you guys along the way. I'll screen record and everything to my favorite bar right now, the Skybox. So we're going to go down to the Skybox. I'm going to show you how easy it is to order room service on your app, and then we're going to do a little review. Okay, so we have a regular room service menu. Again, it is available digitally, and you can order anywhere on the ship for the most part. So I am going to go down to Sports Bar, Skybox on deck 2, and we are going to order some room service. And I'm going to let you guys know exactly how it is. All right, and it's your basic regular room service menu. You got your Greek salad, Caesar salad, tuna sandwich, roasted turkey wrap, ham and cheese, BLT, peanut butter and jelly on toast, grilled Reuben, authentic Philly cheesesteak, more to snack on. We have some wings, some chicken tenders, some spicy firecracker shrimp, killer chicken quesadilla, hamburger, pan pizza, soda fries, and a bunch of desserts. So this is your regular room service menu on the Carnival Miracle. But let's go downstairs, and I'm going to order it, and I'll let you guys know how it is. Definitely going to review the wings. I know that's probably one of the hottest items ordered on the room service menu, and some of them have come out small, some of them have come out big. So let's go see what we get for room service, or app service, I should say, on the Carnival Miracle. Come along. All right, it was that easy. You guys saw it. I ordered it here. It was like 22 and change. When it comes, I will do a full review, and I'll let you guys know how it is. I got wings, I got quesadilla, and I got that Korean barbecue steak pizza. Yeah, I'm excited. Oh, look who's here. The food is here. Thank you very much. Perfect. Yes. She got my little face on the app there. Look at this. It's like a pizza delivery, but better. Look at that smile. You can't beat it. This is amazing. I'm telling you, you don't need to just be in the room to do room service. You can order it on the app. I showed you guys. You can order it on the app. All right, let me finish this up. All right, peek. Here we go. Look at these. Those are not mini. Oh, yeah, I can't wait for that. Okay. We got the chicken quesadilla. And let's dive in. Look at this. Okay, let's talk about the size of that wing, right? I mean, come on. You can't beat that. Okay. Let's turn this around here. We'll do a little dippy for you guys. Okay. Okay. Honorable. 8.8 out of 10. At least on the Carnival Miracle. There, I mean, look at those things. They're big boys. All right, we got the Korean steak pizza. Again, this you can get this upstairs, and it's like $6, same as it is on the room service menu. But we're gonna try it. Let's try it here. But actually, the same pizza. Yoki's right. It's not really different. The topping is it. It's not really different. Carnival pizza. Real life, 4 out of 10. Carnival, I'll be generous. 5.6 out of 10 for Carnival. I wish the onions were actually cooked. They're like raw, but whatever. That's it. Yeah, the chicken wings here on the Carnival Miracle were definitely the best. I wish I got double order. All right, so now that I have this guy here next to me,
I was over gambling roulette.
Gambling, and I bought you dinner, or at least half a dinner. Anyway.
Third dinner.
Okay.
What we got?
So what we have We got 2 chicken wings left.
Wait, what? You already ate this crap? You give me your left. Was this buffalo or barbecue?
Buffalo.
Okay.
But look at the size. Okay, I saw tiny little ones on the internet.
Oh, they're nice.
Carnival rating and then real life. That's what we do here.
All right. So, land-based sports bar versus Carnival, right? That's what you're asking for?
Yes.
Remember, I own a company that does wings.
I know.
So, and you've had my wings, haven't you?
No, I don't think we
You
did.
haven't had my burgers.
No, I had your burger, yeah. So Carnival in real life. That's what we need.
Carnival? 8. Real life? 6.5.
Okay. Very, very close to my ratings, actually. Very close.
Okay. Now, what we got here?
And this is
This is the Korean barbecue pizza?
the Korean barbecue steak pizza. That is $6. You can also get it upstairs, as I mentioned before.
All right,
It looks nice, though. I mean, it does look nice. So let's see what he thinks.
Again,
The wings are good.
I have no money. Oh shit! My pizza broke off. I have no money on the line here. I mean, my money's on the roulette table. I'm gonna get some steak before I rate it. All right, here's what I'm gonna tell you. It all seems like a celebrity pizza, which is good.
Okay.
Because for me, a gamer, celebrity cruises and Carnival cruises cost the same.
Okay.
But for you, if you're paying, this pizza tastes like a cruise that costs 2 times more.
Oh, okay. All right. So
Okay.
Carnival in real life.
Okay. I like the sauce. I like the vegetables, which you wouldn't think you'd get that from a fat guy, did you? Let me note something real quick. Okay. Carnival, 8. Real life, 5.5.
Ooh, I think we had the same rating, or I think I rated it 5. All right. Well, not
I'm
bad.
going back to the roulette table because I got $500 on the table.
There you go.
$100 in my pocket. That's not just my booby talking. I'll see you guys later.
All right. Well, to wrap it up, room service or app service, I guess you could say, definitely worth it. The service was phenomenal. I mean, it came with under 30 minutes. We saw her smile. She was very, very happy. I gave her a nice tip, and I mean, the food was fair. I guess overall, if I had to give you a combined for Carnival, I guess I'll give it 7.2 overall, and that's only because the wings helped me get up there. Real life, like 5. But the ease of it, if you're sitting here and you just want to enjoy some sports, let's just say you're sitting here and these are live games. I mean, this place would be packed if there were live games. But if you were sitting here, you can order it pretty much anywhere. Not sure you can order in the casino, but if you're here at the Skybox, on the Carnival Miracle, you can totally order it just the way I did. Or if you were in any one of the other ones, like if you were in the Red Frog Pub, which is right behind us, you could also order it there. So very, very easy, very, very seamless, and it's 2 taps of the app, and you got food delivered. That easy. I like it. It's okay. The service. The food. Got a little work to do, Carnival, but the service, I like it. Going to do this as undercover, but my friend Jay here has showed me a hack.
It's just a regular.
How to carry your bucket of beer.
If you need a beer in your hand and you need a bucket of beer, this is how to do it. You just tie a towel or a napkin. It's crazy.
Brilliant.
Any napkin works.
Wait,
Well, not a paper napkin.
high
Oh
five?
no, any cloth
You looking for a
napkin.
high five?
High five. There's a hack for you
You
right
can do that
there,
if you're
guys.
carrying a regular freaking bucket.
No, you can.
There you go. That's right.
There you go. Hacks from cruisers that you meet on.